The Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G 2026 is here, and it's one of the most impressive flagship killers we've seen in years. Infinix has combined premium design, next-level performance, and futuristic features to create a phone that competes with top brands, without the flagship price tag. Starting with the design, the Note 13 Pro 5G comes with a sleek glass finish, soft matte texture, and a bold camera module that instantly stands out. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and gives a high-end flagship vibe from the moment you pick it up. On the front, you get a massive 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through apps, or gaming, the visuals look smooth, crisp, and incredibly vibrant. With HDR10+ support, colors pop beautifully and the brightness is excellent even under sunlight. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 5G chipset, which delivers outstanding performance. Multitasking is smooth, games run at high settings, and apps load instantly. Paired with 12GB RAM, expandable, and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage, this phone handles everything you throw at it. The camera system features a 108-megapixels ultra-vision main sensor, offering sharp photos, rich colors, and excellent low-light shots. The phone also supports ultra-wide shooting and 4K video recording, making it perfect for creators who need quality on the go. Battery life is another major highlight. The 5200 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, and with 180W Thunder charge, you can go from nearly empty to full in minutes. Running on Android 15 with XOS 14, the software feels clean, smooth, and smarter, with new AI features that enhance your daily experience. Overall, the Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G is powerful, stylish, and built for the future, an easy recommendation for anyone seeking the ultimate value phone in 2026.